looking at the Gnat loan chart, so and the new policies. All right, so this is a 60-month loan repayment chart. This is Seekers Due GH. This file can be sent to you. It's, if you go to seekersnewgh.com, it's there for you to download. It's there for you to download. Okay, so here, so somebody taking 10,000 for a period of 54 months. You pay 300 cedis each month. All right. So if you can go down and then you see the rest, 23,000. So that's the loan amount, the principal, and so you can pause it and then look at it. Okay, you can pause it. That is if you have searched and the other file is not coming, then this one becomes the ideal one for you to use, or at least you have seen this, so we can add the rest. So that is it. You can just pause the video and then look at it and satisfy, and you can go. So let's look at the whole show, the loan amount, the different type of loan, and how much you can take. So change in loan requirements. So minimum contribution period. So contributors must have a minimum of 6 months of contributions to qualify for a loan. Reinstated members need 12 months of contributions to qualify. So if you leave and you come back, 12 months. Contribution to loan ratio. Members must have a total fund contribution equivalent to at least 15% of every loan request. Then reinstated members need 20% of the loan amount as their contribution. Number 3, monthly contribution. Loan beneficiary must maintain a monthly fund contribution equivalent to 1% of the loan request. Maximum monthly ceilings are set as 200 cedis for personal loan, 250 cedis for investment or capital loan, and 300 cedis for habitat loan or respectively. So if you should take 35,000 for example, or you want to take 35,000, your monthly contribution should be 200 cedis, and you should have a total of 5,250 in your account or in your contribution before. For 50,000, you contribute 250 cedis, and you should have 750 in there. For 60,000, you should have 9,000, and you should be contributing 300 cedis. Also, when you are contributing 300 cedis, you should be having 10,500 before you qualify for 70,000. All right. Then loan frequency. Members should observe a 6-month interval between loan applications. Then witness and guarantors. One witness is required for a loan request up to 10,000. But if you need a loan exceeding 10,000, members need at least one guarantor who must be a registered and active fund member with a minimum 6 months contribution. Can guarantee a maximum of 2 qualified loan applicants simultaneously. Must provide a color copy of the Ghana card front and back, and should have active service period not shorter than the loan duration. This is Seekers New GH. Now, the non-loan interest rate is 16%. Is 16% per annum at reducing balance. There are different type of loan that you can. So we talk about personal loan, which is 35,000, and the requirement are that you need your passport picture, mandate form, valid national ID, payslip, loan application form, authority note, and advance. So for mandate number, you just go to your e-payslip portal and then you generate it. Then for the habitat loan, is up to 60,000. The passport picture, you need a passport, a mandate form, valid national ID, payslip, loan application form, authority note, loan advance form, site plan, and indenture. Alright, some of them now, they are trying to use an online portal like CCTGH is doing, where all your applications are online, your details are already online, so you just have to apply. Investment loan, which is up to 50,000. You need a passport picture, mandate form, valid national ID, payslip, loan application form, authority note, loan advance form, certificate of registration or certificate of incorporation of business proposal, then pro forma invoice and all that. Vehicle loan is up to 70,000. So you also need your passport picture, mandate form, valid national ID, payslip, loan application form, authority note, loan advance form, pro forma invoice. Must provide pro forma invoice of vehicle, valuation certificate. Then loan refinance. According to the union, one does not have to complete serving a particular loan before coming for another loan after paying for some time. Provided you get an available affordability, you can still come and apply for refinance, and recalculation will be done for you to take a new loan. You can also come for another loan in a different category provided you have affordability. So you can take a personal loan and then later go for habitat loan provided you have the affordability for it. How to apply? Go to the secretariat. For emergency loan, you have to apply and then call the chairman or secretary to fast track it for you. Alright, so these are the loan amounts, loan repayment charge 31st November 2020, and this has not changed, but then the policies around it have changed. Okay, so the interest rate is 16%. So if you have taken 70,000, you pay for 60 months, you pay 1,804.40. Alright, sometimes they say that the processes are too much. You have to pass through a whole lot of people before you get it. So people quickly go to other credit unions. But you should know that this interest rate is the cheapest, one of the cheapest you get. Yeah. Gnat's loan interest rate is 12%. You have shown you in the previous video. CCTGH, we have shown you that one too. So you can scroll through the videos and then look at it. So this is one of them, as we have already established. Alright, so that is it. So we have the loan amount, interest rates, 6 months to 60 months. So this is it. This is the loan amount. So 500 cedis is only for 12 months, 48 cedis a month. So 10,000 if you are doing 10,000. So 10,000 is like this. 10,000 is over here. You pay 300 cedis for 48 months. So in that 15,000 is here. 15,000 you pay 450 every month for 48 months. That's the highest or duration that you get. 18,000 with 18,000 you pay 540 every month for 48 months. Alright, so let's proceed. Alright, over here too we have 23,000, 25,000 and that. So depending on your affordability, you can apply for the loan. Nobody can advise you on what to do with your money, but if you take the money and you do your business with it and it doesn't go well, you smell pepper. That one there we have all gone through. You smell pepper. Alright, so with regards to the interest, so you can pause the video and then you look at the interest rates and the deductions. Alright, so with regards to why the union can't make it interest free, is according to the union, if they make it interest free, the money, as at the time they will finish reclaiming it, it would have lost its value, according to them. So if you take 70,000, 5 years time you pay the same 70,000, it would have lost value. So they can't pay your pension with it. That is why there should be an interest on it. Right, but then there are some agencies that do interest free, some unions that do interest free, not teacher union though, but they are still unions. All right, so this is Seekers New GA. This file, if you need it, is on seekersnewga.com. One word, seekersnewga.com. When you go there and then you chat, you look for this file, you find it there. You can also put it in the comment section and then we'll finish you with it. All right, so that is that. So now loan chart and the type of loan available. All right, so that is it.